This is a 1973 Ford Bronco at Maclay Motors. As you can see, it's been slightly modified. We do have a Warren winch on the front. That's a Warren 9000. I'm not sure what size of lift that is, but it's fairly significant. Really new groundhog tires. I love this blue color. I'm not sure what it is. I hope the camera picks it up right. Now this is not a show quality Bronco, and we didn't price it like that. This is one that you can get out and enjoy. Take the family out, or go by yourself. Make new friends. You see, you have the aftermarket CD player. They did swap it from the old 3-speed on the column, which a lot of us grew up with, to a 4-speed. I like this diamond plate. I think that's a nice touch. That goes really well with the Bronco. This does have the 4302, which, if any of you know that motor, you will recognize here in a moment. I'll have John start the engine for us. You can tow, dual exhaust. There's nice looking rims. Try to get a little as best as light will allow. Recognize the Corbeau seats. Those aren't cheap. You do have your 5-point restraints. More diamond plate inside. Here on the doors. It's just really nice when you get back a little bit and look at how the diamond plate works with this. Oh, I'm sorry, I shut the door on you. Could you start it for us, John? Let's see if this bad boy is going to turn over. Now, anybody that knows Fords knows that 302 sound. Just going to show you the motor real quick. It does have a brake booster. This does have disc brakes on the front. That's a big plus. This is a fiberglass hood. I like those stainless headers. That's a nice touch. Power steering. Okay, turn it off, John. I didn't want to get the fumings going. So for more information on this Bronco or any of the other vehicles we have, give us a call at 1-850-877-2600 or look us up on the web at www.maclaymotors.org.